Happy morning, student. Second chapter, electrostatic is over. If you have any doubts regarding the chapter electrostatics, then watch all the videos again and clear your doubts. Okay, let us solve some problems related to the electrostatic chapter. Okay, see this. First problem, a charge plus Q exert a force of magnitude minus 0.2 Newton on another charge minus twice Q. Therefore, we write here data. Okay. Q1 is equal to Q and Q2 is minus twice Q. What is minus 0.2 Newton? It is the force, minus 0.2 Newton. Okay. Then what is the 25 centimeter? If they are separated by 25 centimeters, means the distance between two charges is 25 centimeter. Therefore, R is equal to the 25 centimeter. Convert it into meter. 25 into 10 raised to minus 2. Calculate Q. Therefore, we have to find out the value of Q because Q1 and Q2 are given in terms of a Q. Okay, this problem is related with a Coulomb's law. Therefore, use the mathematical formula for Coulomb's law. What is the Coulomb's law? F is equal to the 1 upon 4 pi epsilon 0 Q1 Q2 upon R square. Put the value of F minus 0.2 is equal to the 1 upon 4 pi epsilon 0 or epsilon naught. It is also called as a epsilon naught is 9 into 10 raised to 9 into Q1 is Q. Okay. Q2 is minus twice Q upon R square. R square is 25 into 10 raised to minus 2 bracket square. Okay. Therefore, minus 0.2 is equal to the, okay, 9 into 2 is 18 into 10 raised to 9 into Q square upon 25 square, it is 625 into 10 raised to minus 4. Okay. Then, write down minus 0.2. This minus and this minus get cancelled. Therefore, only the 0.2 is equal to the 18 Q square upon 625 into 10 raised to, how much? This is 10 raised to 9 and this is 10 raised to 4. Therefore, it becomes 10 raised to 13. Okay. Therefore, Q square is equal to the 0.2 into 625 upon 18. 0.2 into 625 upon 18 into 10 raised to 13. Therefore, Q square is equal to the 625 upon 9 into 10 raised to minus 14. Okay. Therefore, what is the Q square? Q square is the 69.44 into 10 raised to minus 14 and therefore Q is equal to the, see the under root of 69.44. It becomes 8.33, okay, into, what is the under root of 10 raised to minus 14? It is 10 raised to minus 7 and unit of charge is Coulomb. Okay. Therefore, this is the simple formula. Okay. Calculations हे तुम्हाला आलेच पाहिजे. ती जी काही आकडेमोड आहे, गणितीय आकडेमोड ज्याला म्हणतात, ती तुम्हाला आलीच पाहिजे आणि आन्सर तुमचं हे पाहिजे. ओके. नाउ नेक्स्ट problem. A simplified model of hydrogen atom consists of an electron revolving about a proton at a distance of 5.3 into 10 raised to minus 11 meter. Therefore, in this problem, we have given the data. R is equal to the 5.3 into 10 raised to minus 11. The charge on proton is given. Okay? Therefore, say charge on proton is Q1 is 1.6 into 10 raised to minus 19 coulomb. Okay? Here is the electron and proton. The charge on electron is Q2 consider करूया. It is minus 1.6 into 10 raised to minus 19 coulomb. Okay. Then calculate the E, electric intensity due to the proton, and F means force between the electron and proton. Here is the two charged particles are nothing but a proton and electron. Proton वर positive charge असतो. Therefore, it is value is 1.6 into 10 raised to minus 19 coulomb, and Q2 is equal to the charge on electron is minus 1.6 into 10 raised to minus 19 coulomb. Therefore, we have to find out the value of electric intensity due to the point charge. Charge is here proton. Okay. Therefore, we have to find the value of E, and also we have to find out the value of F, means the force between electrons and proton. Okay, let us first calculate the electric intensity. What is the formula for electric intensity? Electric intensity due to the point charge is given by the formula E is equal to the 1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught Q upon R square. This is the formula for electric intensity. E is equal to the 1 upon 4 pi epsilon 0 Q upon R square. Then put all this value and you get the equations. Okay, therefore, E is equal to the 1 upon 4 pi epsilon 0 is 9 into 10 raised to 9. Okay, Q means positive charge. Due to the proton मुळे आपल्याला electric intensity find out करायची. Therefore, 1.6 into 10 raised to minus 19 upon R square 5.3 into 10 raised to minus 11 meter bracket square. Okay, therefore, E is equal to the 1.6 into 9 upon 5.3 into 5.3, okay, into 10 raised to 12. This is 10 raised to 9. This is 10 raised to minus 19. Therefore, numerator becomes 10 raised to minus 10. And this is 10 raised to minus 22. Therefore, this is 10 raised to minus 10 and 10 raised to plus 22. It becomes the 10 raised to 12. Okay. Therefore, E is equal to the, if you calculate this value, it becomes 0.51 into 10 raised to 12. Okay. This is the answer, or 5.1 into 10 raised to 11. Unit of electric intensity is volt per meter. This is the value of electric intensity due to the proton. Now we calculate F, means the force between proton and electron. Okay, what is that value? Which formula is used? Yes, electric intensity is defined as force per unit charge. Simple formula. Therefore, force F is equal to the E into Q. Therefore, ची व्हॅल्यू आपण जस्ट फाइंड आउट केलेली 0.51 into 10⁻12 into Q. Charge on proton is 1.6 into 10⁻⁻19. Okay, with this negative sign. Therefore, it becomes F is equal to the, if you calculate this becomes 0.51 into minus 1.6, it becomes 8.16 into 10⁸ Newton. Therefore, force between the proton and neutron is given by 8.16 with the negative sign. And this negative sign indicates that the force between them is the force of attractive. Okay, त्यांच्यामधला जो काही फोर्स असणार आहे तो काय असणार आहे, अट्रॅक्टिव्ह फोर्स असणार आहे. ओके, बिकॉज हिअर इज द निगेटिव्ह साइन. लेट अस स्टॉप हिअर.